alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Emma Zuzo is my name. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at things you can never do at the first date. Ebintu by'otalina kukola ku lunaku olusooka mu date bye tugenda okutunulako olunaku olwaliro ng'omukyala nga okyaliddeko boyfriend wo okusooka mugezeko mu kagadeni muli waka ewuwe oba mwesanzeewa by'otalina kukola bye bino. Take note of the things you should not hurry in to do them on the first date. 1, don't talk a lot. Just like an interview, just like any usual interview, do not talk too much. Please, keep reserved. Be self-centered. Kola ebitonotono ebisaanidde. Yogera ebitonotono ebisaanidde. You should not talk about yourself a lot. You know, I have the other boyfriend disappointed me. The other one also died in an accident. The third one also got HIV and died out. Please, at the first date, ladies, be self-centered. Toyogera bingi. Reserve your comments for the other day because you never know. You don't know whom you're talking to. You don't know why he has been interested to love you. So, remember, at a date, it is not always love, but it is lust. So, when someone has picked interest in you, you go with him for a date, please be reserved. Toyogera nnyo ku bifa kubeewammwe. So, you know, for us, we die at 45 years. By 45, somebody is too old. Is even a consultant in the clan. For us, we always suffer from asthma. For us, in our home, we grew up it was a poor family background. Why do you talk all that? So, on our first date, be reserved. When he asks you something that you feel it will not sound good to him, reserve it. Tell him it is not today. We shall talk about that later. He will not force you to. So, talk something sensible. When it comes to eating, please, gezaako kukozesa eating habits, the good table manners. Bwekituuka kulya toyina ate kuvubinga n'abampeeko kali bampeeko nakalina kiri nkyagala ne soda oli munene bampeeko ne biyana ki. No, please. Beera sigaza sensi yo eri ey'omukaaga eraga nti olina okutegeera nti oli akulese ku interview. This is like an interview, a date. Please don't eat foolishly. Because even tomorrow there is eating. Don't eat like you're dying tomorrow. Reserve it. Keep it yourself. Even if you love the other, please take something small and don't just put a fork and leave. Because someone has spent in money, eat something reasonable. When it comes to friends who sip, you sip. Like you have a type, please be specific on the type of alcohol you take. If you take Nile, tell him I take Nile. If you take Red Horse, tell him please Red Horse. 1 or 2 is enough. Don't go beyond because you have seen someone who is buying everything too much for you. Do not lose consciousness. Olwokulako omusajja agambye, no please, tuna ekyoyagala kyonna. Tebakuleetera kuleeta ennamba ey'omwenge. Ojja kuluzinga this person ojja kumuluzinga because w'omala okuteekinga omwenge omungi ojja kwogera buli kasasiro. Ojja kwogera ebiyitidde. So please take something small. If you have gone to his house, you've gone to your boyfriend's house, please, the very first 3-5 times, do not go for short call. Do not go to the most so when it is inside the house. If it is outside, then go, but do not let him escort you. Because you never know what sounds you may make. If you do, when it is really in need that you have to, please, for this toilet, that's suprush. First suprush as you do it. Leave the water on as you do it. Because the sound looks awkward. He may also lose interest in that. Ogenze mu nyumba ya boyfriend we emirundi egyo egisooka omukyala tanakumanya toli mukyala wakyakustaadinga w'otuula ku tooyi oba ogenze kufuka tofuka ng'ente oba ogenze for a long call, please make sure oteekako amazzi flashinga nga woogira emirimu gyo bireme kulikakana bubi nnyo kuba ye ali ku study nga buli kintu kyokola abeera study. Please, if you've gone to his house, try to be organized. You found the sitting room very disorganized. Don't just sit because it is a date. Make sure you organize some table, you organize that, you put something in a new structure, in a new form. Totuula butuuzi olw'okuba ogenze mu ddiiro lyate omanyi bulungi ali singo gundi kiri kyasuza eri omunyo oguli wansi wa kitanda biri biriwa. Organize it, lay the bed, organize the table, organize that. Please mop around and organize everything. You will look a responsible woman or a responsible girlfriend. Please do not shave your hair on the head and you finish everything when you're going for a date. Leave something. Have you lost someone? Have you lost a husband? If you have, then put something on the head. Put something that you will not know. You will not look a man like him. Even him is a man but has put some shape in the head. What about you? Please not do things when you're going for a date. Ogenda otyo omwagalwawo mu mirundi egisooka n'ogenda ng'osaze enviiri mukyala. Be careful of your dressing code. What are you putting on? Which type of knickers are you dressing inside? Which type of bra have you put inside? Is it torn? Is it faded? Is it too old? Please leave it. Look for something special. Go to the shop and borrow. Don't put on an old cloth with even a hole in it, with stitches in it, please. Ogenze wa boyfriend wo, making sure ky'oyambadde okyambadde era n'abanaakulaba naye bajja muweesa ekitiibwa. Okitegeera? So there are some other things that put us off. You've gone to bed, you've shown him you know a lot of styles because you've had Senga Fauzia talking. Why do you show him a lot of skills in one day or two? Please make sure you are innocent. Let him tell you what he wants. You don't know. And please don't be too ignorant about it that you've never seen anything because you're not a virgin. Do something that is relative, something that will not scare away him. Okay? So, ladies, in this capacity, please take note of these things. If you do not do, then you lose some other people who are responsible, who are lovely, who are caring, because you did not hear. Then the other thing, men are always testing us. They are always testing us. After you never know. At that date, he will inquire. Maybe he will force you to sleep with him. Don't be too easy. Please give him some reason. Please, I'm sorry because of this. Let us see tomorrow. Try to be hesitant. Togenderawo olw'okubagambye bambi mbadde njagala. Tugende tufuneyo kolumu. Tugende because your feel is going now. You're seeing him and there is no seeing him tomorrow. Do not be so easy like that. Please give him some reasons. Please, how do you see if we do it tomorrow or the other day? If he insists and you really think it's okay, you can go, but please, do not be too mad for the first time. Do not be too crazy for the first time. And please, after sleeping with him, do not ask for money. You are not a prostitute. Try to study him also because he's studying you as well as you are studying him. So do not ask for money. Why do you ask for money? You will also learn that you're money-minded. Without money, you will never love him. Okay? So, please, ladies, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Assalamu alaikum. I sign out.